My country has had a unique history since it emerged immediately after a war of independence, which took the life of 1/3 of our people and caused unprecedented material destruction. In the wake of the American and French revolutions of the 18th century, our country challenged the human race to recognize the universal nature of the Proclamation of Human Rights, the right to freedom, to dignity and equality, making Haitians free men and women. Our nation was born in 1804. Although it was poor and since then has been deprived in material terms, never hesitated to offer evidence of solidarity to the peoples who were struggling for their freedom. For example, Greater Colombia, which is today Venezuela, Ecuador, Colombia, and Panama, under the leadership of Francisco Miranda and then Simón Bolívar. Despite our limited resources, Haiti has always demonstrated its full belief in the oneness of the human race.